good morning, and guess what? My cats have stopped fighting. Afo is the little one, and today he has not made any kind of fuss. He's not running from Ginger, that's a good thing. That's my bigger one, and right now he's cleaning up his litter. That's Ginger. They have not fought in the morning, so which is actually good. So I won't be able to start with keto from today as initially planned, but because turns out like I'm missing out on certain key ingredients to make meal plans and meal preps. So I don't have lots of vegetables, and I will be going out in some time right now to get some vegetables, as well as we are also out of cat food right now, so I need to get more cat food for my babies. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a cup of coffee, and then Keshma and we are going to step out. There's a pet guy nearby, pet store guy, and I usually buy my stuff from him. Sometimes I do order it online, but I prefer this guy because he's a nice guy. He's quite friendly, and he has been supporting us from a long time, and he is the guy from whom I have been buying cat food for like 5 years now. So yeah, that makes sense. I'll just start in some time. I'll go get some cat food. So the little one is watching my wife on the big screen, and it's kind of funny. Making cappuccinos right now, and if you wanna know how to make cappuccinos, you can I'll just mark it in the description box. I'll add it in my video, and you can also make amazing cappuccinos at home, and it's pretty simple. You just need few basic ingredients, and yeah. We are out to get some stuff, and this is
Hello.
Mrs. M,
Hello.
and this is me. So we are going to get our stuff. We need a few essentials as well, more cleaning supplies, and yeah. So cat food is a priority. All right, I'll see you outside. All set, ready to go. Hi, so we are back, and we got the cat food, along with we got a new mop, and Afu baby is right now investigating anything that comes new into the house. He needs to see what's up, and he's doing that right now. And we got bread and cleaning supplies, as well as soap, cat food. And when I was coming up, I got this delivery from Amazon. This is Rage coffee. I'm just gonna see how it is, and yeah, I'll make a cup of it, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, packaging is interesting. Turbocharge your day, Rage coffee infused with natural vitamins, boosted energy, enhanced fitness, improved focus. And this is quite a claim. If you don't love Rage coffee, we will refund your order, no questions asked. To the fam, the packaging, it looks nice actually. Okay, so welcome to the fam. Thank you so much for sharing our passion for great coffee. What is this? It's a letter. Only I'll be placing, and okay, sparky orange. The bottle looks nice, sealed. Okay, I love the smell. I'm just gonna make a quick cup of it and we'll see how it is. Instructions: 1 tablespoon of Rage coffee and hot water or milk. I'm going to make it with hot water and let's see how it tastes. Well, I can't smell anything different. I mean, it smells like coffee. It smells strong. It smells a bit burnt, but I can smell the orange and I can smell the coffee. So, moment of truth, and I'm gonna try this and we'll see how it goes. So, this is the cup of coffee that I made using the new Rage coffee. It's the orange infused coffee. So let's see how it is. It's still hot. I mean, I do like the smell though. I have to see how it goes. Okay, so let's see how it is. Orange coffee. Not exactly a great combination, but it definitely has a kick. I mean, I can feel the kick, and it has that fruity flavor. Some people might like it. I'm not really keen on it right now. Maybe let me have it one more time, and I will see how it is. If it's any good, whether I'll be applying for a refund or whether I'm going to keep it with me. I need to make one more cup, probably with milk. This is plain black and it's a strong coffee, I have to admit. It's quite strong, and let me try it with milk and see how it tastes, and then I'll pass the verdict whether it's worth keeping this, whether I'll be ordering from them again, and yeah. Okay, so the good thing about this coffee is like I didn't find any bitterness or any strong bittery aftertaste after having it, so that's a good thing. Normally most of the flavored coffees that I have tried, they leave some sort of a bitter aftertaste, and which may not be that great, but this one is quite smooth actually. I mean, the more it settles, the better it gets. I mean, the more it settles, the better it gets to taste. I mean, that's a horrible rhyming thing. But my god, I have to admit, this one does gives you a good kick. I mean, Keshma is very particular about her coffee, so I'm just gonna give her a sip and let's see what her reaction is. And let's see. So that's Keshma here. Just see how it is. Let's capture your reaction. What do you think of the smell?
It has orange?
It is an orange infused coffee.
It's nice. The taste is nice, but personally, I wouldn't drink. Like, I don't like coffee, orange and coffee.
I know you are very particular about your coffee, right? And
But otherwise, if someone would like to try something new, this is nice, I guess.
yeah, I think mixed with milk, I can try making a cappuccino from this, or maybe I don't know, milk and orange. It may not be the greatest combo, but maybe I can make a cold brew out of this, and we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, I guess the cold brew will look
Yeah, cold brew will taste nice. So, for lunch, I'm making fried egg sandwich. That's a fried egg on a skillet. There's bread with mayo on it and grated cheese. So that's our lunch. And it's pretty easy to make. I'll just guide you through how it can be done. First of all, you need to spread mayo over the bread and then sprinkle grated cheese on top of it. Okay. This is so not keto, but yeah, it's like one cheat meal before the entire episode starts. And yeah, so the thing is, like, this time we are gonna get it done. Like, after keto, we will be following up with the maintenance phase, in which we are going to watch what we are going to eat. Whatever that goes into our body, it's going to be measured, and make sure we are going to stick to our diets, as well as eating healthy is going to be a priority. So yeah, I wish I should have I could have bought ice cream, but I did not do that today. Okay, so the cheese is spread. Okay, now hang on. Looks yummy. Banana chips, fried egg sandwich, ketchup. That's going to be my lunch for the day. So that was a good lunch, and now I was doing some office work, and right now I'm taking a break, and I feel like I should make one more of these. This one I actually liked it. I'm going to try. I'll see some other recipes. There must be a way to make it like, I don't know, how do I make cold brew from an instant coffee? I mean, normally when I make a cold brew, I use a French press to make cold brew. This is gonna be different, so let me check out some recipes on Google. Let's see. Take it before drinking.
Yeah, I did. But it's sweet.
हाँ, इतना टाइम तुमने फ्रिज के बाहर से रखा था तो
Sweetness में क्या मैटर करता है?
ठंडा तो चला जाता है ना.
My teeth are sensitive, so we
Okay.
can't listen. This is good enough to drink, but
You did not try the Nescafe wala, right?
I hate Nescafe.
So this is
I'll try.
Amul Cool Cafe, cold coffee. Right now it's room temperature coffee.
It's good to drink.
Okay, definitely better than Nescafe Intense, which I had earlier. What's so funny? No, it's actually better, much better than that one.
Yeah, like
Okay,
someone who drinks Nescafe doesn't really know what a real coffee tastes like. Okay?
But I have to point it out. We are talking about Indian Nescafe.
Yeah, Indian Nescafe.
Because I had
Very
one
specific.
which was packed in Dubai. That was quite good. I had one which was, I think it was Sweden or Switzerland. I can't remember now. But the one which I got from your shop.
Oh, I don't know about
That was
yeah,
an
yeah.
imported pack. That was really good.
No, when I was in Milan, I used to have only Nescafe, but that I don't know, for some reason those Nescafes are not sweet like the Indian Nescafe for some reason.
Right.
Those Nescafe are like the original coffee. Indian Nescafe has some sort of sweetness into it. Like, I don't think that's original coffee.
Maybe it's a blend they're selling. The shikori, the coffee, the caffeine blend. The beans, what they're using in India might be different from the one which we get overseas.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know, whatever the reason is, but I don't like the Indian Nescafe.
Anyway, amongst all these packed cold coffee, I have had Amul, I have had Starbucks packed.
Yeah, Starbucks.
The Starbucks one is, I think, the best.
Yeah.
And after that, I think I don't think I have tried anything else actually. So Starbucks,
Amul,
Nescafe,
Nescafe.
and in South India there is one local brand. What was it? Nilgiris. Nilgiris has its own cold coffee, which comes in a small bottle. I mean, they're pretty good.
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, if we have to rank it, then I will rank Starbucks as number one.
But then see, Starbucks as compared to Amul and Nescafe is also maybe double or triple the price.
Yeah, that's true.
There is a
That's
difference.
true.
It will, in this price range, it's only Amul, Nescafe, I guess.
Okay, Amul is cheaper than Nescafe. I have to point it out. And Amul, this is 250 ml.
For
30 rupees, and the Nescafe Intense which I had, that was 35 rupees for 200 ml.
oh, so then the
so-
Starbucks is what, like I think 150. I don't know. Starbucks would be around 100, 150, but yeah, maybe ज़्यादा होगा, but then it comes in a glass bottle,
Yeah, that's true.
Unlike
that is
this.
reusable.
which is reusable.
So those are the instant, the ready-made ones. Apart from that, where else have you had a really good cold coffee? I think Caventer's cold coffee was actually good, but they're known for their milkshakes, but also do try their cold coffee. Then I think there is this local brand Energy.
Energy has cold coffee. Energy is very nostalgic. You know, it reminds me of my childhood. जब मैं मम्मी के साथ जाती थी बाहर मार्केट में. So Energy actually is very nostalgic. It reminds me.
This keeps.
Energy is actually very nostalgic to me. It reminds me of my bachpan. Like my mom used to take me for marketing and
Shopping.
marketing actually. Not even shopping. सब्जी मंडी के लिए.
That's also shopping.
ठीक है. Vegetable shopping. Yeah, let's keep it that way. So she used to take me to vegetable shopping, and whenever we used to return back home, so there's this Energy wala which is still there actually in the market. So हम लोग हमेशा वहाँ पे रुकते थे. I used to have the original one, so I guess it's pineapple Energy. Pineapple flavor Energy is the original.
Kesar or something.
No, not kesar. I don't know. So it was like a tradition. और अभी भी अगर मैं और मम्मी कभी once in a while साथ में गए market, I still have Energy. It just reminds me of old times. But when I was a kid, तब Energy thick था. अभी तो ऐसे लग रहा है diluted है पूरा. And the price has also increased.
I don't know. So obviously I'm not from around here, so I won't be able to tell that.
Wait,
But-
is Energy only a Bombay thing?
I think so, but I never had it when I was in Pondicherry. Pondicherry, we didn't have Energy. We had Nilgiris, we had some other brand. Pondicherry has its own local dairy. I forgot what was the name. Really, I can't remember now. Orissa, we had our own. It started with O something. I can't remember all those names now.
I thought Energy was like
No,
it was an Indian thing. I always thought
yeah,
that.
there's an Indian thing, but I really can't remember now. Like, I mean, I don't think Energy is available anywhere else.
नहीं not अभी ज़्यादातर स्टॉल्स जो एनर्जी का वो छोटे छोटे स्टॉल्स रहते थे ना
They're still there, like, plenty.
बट नॉट एज मच एज मैं 90s की बात कर रही हूँ.
I remember there was this one time I was when I got my new bike. I actually went out on a. I wanted to check out RA Colony. So I stopped by that Chota Kashmir Lake area, and there is a small shop who sells Energy stuff. And I had butterscotch, I think, and it was quite nice.
The taste has somehow remained the same except for Abhiga is more diluted. Original was obviously any type better.
So how come the taste is the same if it's with diluted? I mean, it should be watery, then like it has.
No, like see, I don't know. It's the milk में थोड़ा पानी डालते होंगे I assume.
Maybe.
Somehow the taste.
So I'm done with my office work and time to wrap up stuff, and I'm going to say good night because I'm going to sleep early tonight. Yeah, so the day has been kind of an okay day, not really like not much happened today. Both the cats behaved really well. We went out and had it was a pretty uneventful day, in fact with my office work as well. The only other thing I'd like to I was just before like shutting down, I'd like to point it out is like I just saw that I am losing followers on Instagram again, and it's like ever since I've started with reels, I have noticed that I am losing on followers. Initially I thought maybe my content or the jokes that I'm using might be offensive, but it's not the case. But it seems like more and more people are actually noticing my profile exists. I have not been uploading regularly on Instagram for quite some time, Not just that, and there are plenty of people who do that follow for a follow shit, and there are people who have followed me, and they usually unfollow me when I follow them back, and it turns out like I was not posting enough, so they never actually saw my profile pop up. And as soon as I've started posting reels, and reels has a better reach than your posts and stories, so these guys, they're like, oh my god, okay, this guy exists and we need to unfollow him quick. We want to be those uber cool influencers on Instagram who has a good number of followers, but they don't want to follow other people. So yeah, I get it. Like, you wanna be bitches, then go ahead, be bitches or whatever you want to be. And so far, okay, now Afu is getting anxious about something. Afu, come here, baby. Come. Yeah, so that's Afu, and I think he noticed something on the window, and that's why he's meowing like that. Might be a lizard or something. And we live on the 13th floor, so I'm pretty sure there's not a sign of another cat somewhere. Or maybe it's his mating call. He's a handsome boy after all. So coming back to those Instagram bitches, well, you be the bitch you are meant to be. That's all I have to say to those who do that follow unfollow shit. Anyways, it has been an okay day, and tomorrow is a new day, and tomorrow for sure I'm gonna get started with keto. See you.